Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter in organic, that is the third chapter in the organic, that is aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acid. So in this video we are going to discuss the introduction part of these compounds. As in this chapter we need to study about the organic compound containing C double bonded O, that is C double bonded O, which is called as carbonyl group. It is one of the most important functional group in the organic chemistry. So we need to discuss the compounds related to having carbonyl group. So there are list of some organic compound having a carbonyl group. The first one is aldehyde. When the carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen, then it is called as aldehyde. And when this carbonyl group is attached to the two alkyl group, then it is called as ketone. If the carbonyl group is attached to the oxygen, then it is called as carboxylic acid and its derivatives are esters. Here also the carbonyl group is attached to oxygen. It is a derivative of carboxylic acid and the acid anhydride. So these two are the derivative of carboxylic acid. If the carbonyl group is attached to halogen, then it is called as acyl halide. And if the carbonyl group is attached to nitrogen, then that type of compounds are called as amides. So these are the important compounds that is having the carbonyl group. Aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids are widespread in plants and animal kingdom. They play an important role in biochemical processes of life. They are having a sweet fragrance. So because of this, they add fragrance and flavor to the nature. For example, these example, that is vanillin from the vanillin beans. Then we have this is the example. Then we have a salicylaldehyde, that is actually from the meadowsweet, and the cinnamaldehyde, that is in the cinnamon. So that is actually, these are the organic compounds in which the functional group is aldehyde. So these are actually the natural flavors, or we can say the natural fragrance, that is actually the aldehydes. So it plays a very important role in the biological process. They add fragrance and flavors to the nature. So these are the some important chemical formulas which is given, that is the natural extract which gives flavor or fragrance. They used in many food product and pharmaceuticals to add flavors. Some of these families are manufactured for the use of solvents, that is acetone, and for preparing the materials like adhesives, paints, resins, perfumes, plastics and fabrics. So these are the important uses of the functional group, that is aldehyde, which having a carbonyl group. So the further details of these compounds will be discussed in the next video. So have a nice day.